Alright, I'm showing you my water machine. It's filtering right now. Here's the little drippies. And this has a capacity of 3 gallons. So you can keep filling it up and keep going. So what I have done is I've kept my water bottles and I've gone ahead and just kept refilling those too, so I don't run out of water. But this is gonna last me 10 years. And it's nice and clean. It's fresh and clean. You don't taste anything in the water. You just filter your own tap water. It beats paying $2 per 5-gallon jug that I was filling up. So this was $300, $2.99. Shipping was free, included the filters right there. So best investment ever. I would highly recommend getting that. I got that free stand too. You see that stand right there? They gave that to me. So get yourself one. I'm telling you, in these times, you want to have the purest, cleanest form of water. And you can even do rainwater and pond water. Any type of water source that you find, you can put it in this baby. Just clean those filters once a year. There's my cat, don't mind her.